Hello, welcome to my channel 99 Tigers. In this video, we're going to talk about how to reverse engineer websites. And one of the main tools that we use to reverse engineer websites is Builtwith.com. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to reverse engineer websites to find out what technologies are used in building that website. So what you need to do is you need to go to builtwith.com and then you need to type the name of the website. So in this case, I'm going to take the example of dropbox.com and I'm going to look it up. As you see, the moment I click, I get a detailed listing of what all technologies are used. Analytics and tracking, you can also see what all technologies, what all widgets are used here. You can also see what all languages are used. You can see PHP is used over here, Adobe Cold Fusion, Adobe Enterprise Cloud, less Citrix. And also you can see what kind of JavaScript is also used. You can see the JavaScript libraries used. So you have jQuery being used. So you have underscore.js being used. So you can click on these and see how the usage is. So you have React, which is a Facebook JavaScript framework being used here, and also the Facebook XDK is also being used. So this will help you to understand if Dropbox is your competitor. You can understand what technologies they're using. If you're a consulting company and you want to sell to Dropbox or any other client, you can find out what are the technology stacks that are available and what is your expertise, and then prepare a better sales presentation to get clients. So this is how we generally use buildwith.com.